If we're expected to move on to phase 2, does that mean phase 1 was a success? And does it mean the risk is any lower? Marcelino Benito went to an expert in infectious diseases to find out.
Restaurants, museums, malls, and movie theaters have now been open for 2 weeks. Phase 2 of Texas's reopening plan will open a lot more.
You just need to recognize that the virus is still everywhere.
Infectious disease expert Dr. Peter Hotez says we are still mid-pandemic. During Phase 1, cases didn't go down, they went up.
Texas has had some of the worst 3 days in the COVID epidemic in the last few days.
That includes the biggest single-day jump on Saturday, when Texas reported 1,801 new COVID-19 cases, fueled by an outbreak at a meatpacking plant in Amarillo. The governor says the steady increase in cases is linked to more widespread testing. Hotez fears it could be weeks before we see the real impact of reopening.
There's a misunderstanding, and the misunderstanding is we had the epidemic, we're out of the woods, and now we can slowly get back to normal, and it's not that way. So if there's going to be a problem, we're essentially looking at towards July, later in the summer, where we could see that big surge. And that's so number one, that's where I'm holding my breath.
Hotez says for reopening to be successful, the state needs to continue to build out more workplace testing, contact tracing, and specific city modeling. As Texas enters Phase 2, Hotez says there's a lot individuals need to do to blunt any possible COVID-19 summer surge.
Social distancing and wearing masks have become conflated with political ideologies, and I think it's really important to remember it just doesn't work that way. The virus doesn't care about whether you're a Democrat or Republican or something else. You're at risk, and you need to look out for yourself and your family.
I'm Marcelino Benito, KHOU 11 News.